Imagine standing at the edge of an active volcano. The ground shakes beneath your feet. Steam rises from the crater below. What if you fell in? Would you sink like a stone into the lava? Would it be like the movies? Today, we're going to find out what would really happen if someone fell into a volcano. And trust me, it's not what you think. First, let's talk about lava. Lava is melted rock that comes from deep inside Earth. It's incredibly hot, between 700 to 1200 degrees Celsius. That's about 10 times hotter than boiling water. But here's the surprising part. Lava is really thick and heavy. It's not like water at all. It's more like super thick honey mixed with rocks. In fact, lava is about 3 times heavier than water and 100,000 times thicker. So here's the shocking truth. If you fell into lava, you wouldn't sink. Your body is much less dense than lava. Think about it. You're mostly made of water, and water is way lighter than melted rock. It's like trying to push a beach ball underwater. It just pops back up. If you fell onto lava, you'd actually float on top of it. But don't think that's good news. Before you even touch the lava, the heat would hit you like a wall. At 50 meters away from lava, the air temperature is already over 200 degrees Celsius. Your clothes would burst into flames. Your skin would start burning. The moisture in your body would turn to steam instantly. It's like being inside the world's hottest oven, but 1,000 times worse. You wouldn't even make it to the lava surface. But heat isn't the only killer. Volcanoes release toxic gases that are invisible and deadly. Sulfur dioxide burns your lungs. Carbon dioxide pushes out all the oxygen. Hydrogen sulfide smells like rotten eggs but can knock you out in seconds. These gases are heavier than air, so they fill up the crater like an invisible pool of poison. One breath and your lungs would be severely damaged. Let's say somehow you made it to the lava surface. Remember, you'd float on top. But the impact would be like hitting concrete at high speed because lava is so thick. Then, the extreme heat would cause all the water in your body to instantly turn to steam. This would create a small explosion. Your organic material would burn away in seconds, leaving only ash. It would be over in less than a minute. Movies get volcanoes all wrong. Characters slowly sinking into lava? Impossible. You'd float. People outrunning lava flows? Maybe the slow ones, but the heat and gases would get you first. Standing near lava without protection, you'd be cooked alive. Real volcanoes are far more dangerous than Hollywood shows. The heat radiation alone can kill from hundreds of feet away. Sadly, people have fallen into volcanoes before. In most cases, they never even reached the lava. The toxic gases knocked them out first, or they died from the extreme heat. Volcanologists, scientists who study volcanoes, wear special heat-resistant suits and breathing equipment. Even then, they can only get so close. These brave scientists risk their lives to help us understand these powerful forces of nature. Volcanoes remind us how powerful our planet is. They create new land, enrich soil, and even affect our climate. But they demand respect. The same forces that built Hawaii's beautiful islands can destroy entire cities. Understanding what would really happen if we fell into one helps us appreciate just how incredible and dangerous these geological wonders truly are. So what have we learned? Falling into a volcano means you'd float on the lava, not sink. But you'd never actually reach it. The heat and toxic gases would kill you first. Your body would essentially explode from steam and burn to ash in seconds. It's a fate far worse than movies show. Remember, if you ever visit a volcano, follow all safety rules, stay with guides, and respect the barriers. These aren't just suggestions, they're lifesavers. Thanks for joining me on this intense journey into one of nature's most extreme scenarios.